Southwest inhabitants, especially those around Motengene and Tiko, cannot forget Saturday, July 9, 2022 in a hurry. Runoff carrying stones and other large debris swept through the major route linking littoral and southwest regions of Cameroon. This is where it begins. When rain falls, all available drainage are clogged by waste, with the number one contributor being plastics. Here at Megwa, a local environmental organization, environmental and marine conservationist Emmanuel Emerson works as project manager. He admits that plastic pollution is a big problem in Cameroon.
Plastic pollution has been a major challenge in our society today. In Cameroon, we heard that over 600,000 tons of plastics is being disposed every year, and just about 10% is recycled, and the rest definitely goes into the waste, into the ocean, into different areas in our community, and I think it's a major problem.
There are several initiatives in the country aimed at fighting plastic pollution. One of such is in Motengene. Ebot Simon Njah rallies his friends to pick up plastics, which they end up transforming into pavement blocks. They also carry out campaigns in their community to raise awareness on the dangers of plastic pollution.
Plastic is one of the main things I am into right now because it's generally a global problem. Not only my community faces, but my country as well, and even the world at large faces. Plastic has so much effect on our community, but rather than disposing them into stream like others or gathering the plastics and burning them, I needed to come up with an initiative to recycle them to bricks used for building and maybe road construction.
In order to fully understand this initiative, I followed Simon and his friends to the field.
I'm teaching them these things even with biogas, teaching them plastic recycling, teaching them charcoal production.
We are at a cottage primary school in Motengene, just behind the markets, and I'm accompanying the group of young guys who are transforming plastics and other bio-waste into other usable items like bricks, like charcoal. And so we are here to educate pupils on the dangers of plastics and other bio-waste which we are throwing into our environment.
Dumping plastics in our streams is a bad habit.
After the sensitization campaign, we head back home to see where the transformation takes place while still picking up plastics along the way. The process starts by chopping up big plastics into bits so they could fit in the small pot Simon uses to melt plastics, while lubricant is applied in the locally adapted mold.
If we put a plastic without putting something to lubricate it, it will just completely gum to the mold that you cannot remove it again, except you just destroy everything. So that's it.
It's a painstaking process, yet the young people are determined to sweat out for the sake of the environment.
So all is just for the aim to eliminate plastics totally in our streams, in our streets, in our rivers, and in our oceans. So we should protect the environment and to stop climate change.
After about an hour, the product is out and the boys are happy.
At least we need somewhere small, like a small plate, since they use even this side for cooking. So everything we're using here is local. Like you see, this is a normal basin we're using our day-to-day life. Normal basin, this is what we're using for.
I really feel good doing this because I think I'm encouraging him and encouraging youth out there too, and encouraging even our parents to help to see if they can support us.
Yeah, honestly, I want to say we should put hands together and see that we grow the business. Because honestly, it's going to help. It's going to help the society a lot.
Simon and his friends are aware that the process they are using is quite crude and risky, but are calling for support so that their dreams of getting waste plastics off the environment can come to pass.